Good morning, my dear students, especially the students of intermediate second year. You are welcome back to online class arranged by National College. As usual, we have come before you with the discussion on completing sentences, and already you have participated at least in 7 classes, and I also hope that all of you are already about to be expert in completing sentences. Yet, or in spite of that, I have come again before you with another class, and this is class 8, and then this is the final class. And if you need more classes on completing sentences, I am earnestly requesting you inform me in comment boxes, and then I shall try my utmost to deliver another, or as you need more classes. And at first I want to know, are you listening to me clearly or not? Please inform me. Are you listening to me clearly or not? Please inform me. And sound is clear or not? And then this is now practice session, and now here I shall write some sentences, and then you will answer to the sentences. Yes, now I am writing sentences. I think you are not punctual in your studies. Be punctual. Lest. This is the word, lest. I want to tell you, yes, lest. This is the word which is key word in the sentence. I think you are not punctual in your studies. Be punctual. Okay, try to send the answer in comment boxes, and then I shall observe, scrutinize either sentences are correct or not. Rima Afrin, Walaikum Salam. Okay, try to complete the sentence. I think you are not punctual in your studies. Be punctual lest. You must apply the rule of lest. Yes, try to apply the rule of lest. You should fail. Yes. Okay, right. আর একটু বাড়িয়ে লিখতে হবে, and then if you add some sentences to these if you add some words to this sentence, and it will be so nice. Be punctual lest. You should fail. Okay, এখানে আরেকটু বাড়িয়ে লিখবে, and then you should fail in the exam. As we see here, in your studies, we see here for the reason you have to add in the exam. Okay, and then in another ways the sentence may come. I think you are not punctual in your studies. In the place of in your studies, maybe in your works. Okay, may come, or may come in your life, works in your life, in this way. Then rule regulation will be same, but you have to write or complete the sentence. Be punctual lest you should fail in this way. Lest you should fail to shine in life. To shine in life. Lest you should fail to complete your works on time. Okay, this way you may complete the sentences. And then now I am writing another sentence. I have missed the 8 o'clock train. Do you know when? And then you have to complete. Clear? I have missed the 8 o'clock train. Do you know when the next when? Do you know when? ঠিক আছে? You should fail to shine in life. Okay, thank you. Your answer is correct. And then you should fail in the examination. Okay. You should fail to shine in life. Okay, thank you. And then I have missed the. Do you know when? Here will be question sign. Interrogative sign here will be. And then try to complete. Can you complete? Oh, okay. A student has informed me writing is not clear, and this is for the net interruption. Sorry. Okay, I am telling. I have missed the 8 o'clock train. Do you know when? I am telling, and based on my saying, you have to send the answer. I have missed the 8 o'clock train. Do you know when? The train begin, the next train will arrive. Okay, Shoaibul Hassan, thank you for your correct answer. And then the train began, and this is not okay. Do you know when the next train will arrive? This is actually based on sense, really based on sense. Do you know when the next train will arrive? Such kind of thing comes in our memory after reading this part. Do you know when the next train will arrive? Will come. May I write here instead of arrive? Come. Or you may write here the next train will start for the destination. You may also write. And the next sentence, the thief stole my watch and I saw it. And then the thief stole my watch and I saw it. As soon as I saw him. Here you may find no sooner had. Here you may find instead of as soon as, you are being asked to send the answer in the comment boxes. Will arrive, and then the thief stole my watch and I saw it as soon as I saw him. What I am telling you, in the place of as soon as I saw him, instead of this clause, you may find no sooner had no sooner had I seen him. In this way you may find, and you may also find scarcely had I seen him, and you may also find hardly had I noticed him. Okay, in this way, in these three ways you may also find okay, and then answer will be somewhat different. ঠিক আছে? Okay, can you send the answer in the comment boxes? Try to send. The thief stole my watch and I saw it as soon as I saw him. No sooner had I seen him, scarcely had I seen him, hardly had I noticed him. In these ways, the question may appear. Please send the answers as soon as possible. He ran away, and then yes, but you have used here capital letter, then he and then after then you have to use past indefinite tense. Tazul Islam, Walaikum Salam. After then you have to use ran away. Yes, now correct. Is correct. Then he ran away. Okay. And then after then you must keep in memory that tense will be past indefinite. Clear? Scarcely had I seen him. After scarcely had and hardly had, you have to use what? Okay, I'm writing. As soon as I saw him, and you know that, then here will be subject verb according to the tense of first one. Here I see, or we see past indefinite tense, and there will be the same tense. Then as soon as I saw him, he ran away. He fled away. Okay. No sooner had I seen him, no sooner had, we know that after no sooner had, this is comparative degree, we have to use then, and then tense will be past. That past indefinite tense will be yes, and then you know that after then there will be past indefinite tense, subject and then past indefinite tense. No sooner had I seen him, then he ran away. then he fled away, and same things will be here when he ran away, when he fled away, and then the different is that here only then and here when. Scarcely had when, hardly had when. He ran away or he fled away. Though he was late, yes, though he was late. I think you know the rule of although. Though he was late, and actually I don't have any hand in net, and for that reason you have to be attentive to my speaking, what I am telling. For net interruption, writing may not be seen clearly, and for that reason you have to depend on my speaking what I am telling. Though he was late, though he was late, though he was late, and keeping the rule of though, although, you have to complete this part. And also this sentence may come in this way: though he couldn't start his work on time, though he was late in starting his work, may come in this way also. Though he was late in starting his work on time. Though he started late, in this way. Okay, in three circumstances, answer will be the same. Though he was late, though he couldn't start his work on time, though he was late in starting his work on time. Okay, and then on time may not be found. Late in starting, as you have find, you have to find here late, and then no need on time. Though he started late. Okay, in this way. Can you send me the answer as quickly in comment boxes? Please send the answers. Though he was late, and you know that opposite thing will be in answer. Though he was late, and then what will be the answer? As he was late in his work, in starting, he couldn't complete his work on time. But although demand, couldn't start his work in time, and then though he was late, though means I am clarifying this. I am taking help, sorry, I am taking help Bengali. দেখো দু অল দুটা আসলে এটা এমন একটা ওয়ার্ড, এমন একটি অ্যাডভার্ব যেটা পরের অংশটাতে বিপরীত যাবে। ধরো যদিও সে দেরি করেছিল, দেরি করলে তার উপর যে কাজটা আছে সেই কাজটা ঠিক সময়ে না করতে পারার কথা, বাট সে দো অলদো মানে হলো ওই পাশে সে কী করবে, কাজটা ঠিক সময়ে করতে পারবে, এটা বোঝাবে। কারণ দো অলদো যদিও সে দেরি করেছিল, ঠিক আছে, যদিও লোকটি ছিল গরিব, লোকটি সৎ, okay, this is right, but you have to keep in your memory that after modal auxiliary you have to use base form of verb. Can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, have to, has to, must, ought to, need, let, oblige, help. After that you have to use base form of verb. What will be the form of verb? Finish. Though he was late, he could finish. Okay, he could complete. He could finish. Yes, his work on time, or he, you may write instead of this, he completed his work on time. He could complete or finish his work on time. He completed his work on time. Though he couldn't start his work on time, he could complete, he completed, he could finish his work on time. Though he was late in starting his work, he could complete his work on time. Though he started late, he could complete, he completed, he finished his work on time. Okay, thank you for giving correct answer. Some students have sent the correct answer, and for that you are thanked. As he is unwilling to work, as he is unwilling to work, he cannot get rid of poverty. As he is unwilling to work, he cannot get rid of poverty. He must work, and then conditional if. Yes. Unwilling to work, he cannot get rid of poverty. He cannot overcome poverty. He cannot, here may come overcome. Here may be remove. Here may be increase in income, maybe. And instead of unwilling, you may find word averse, the same meaning. You may find word reluctant. Are this clear to you? Instead of unwilling, you may find reluctant, you may find averse in the same way. And then he must work if. Okay, for your Tajul Islam, for your good advice. For the students of first year, thank you that they may attend the classes. Okay, thank you. As he is unwilling, he is averse, he is reluctant to work, he cannot get rid of poverty, he cannot overcome poverty, he cannot remove poverty, maybe. He must work if. And then you know the rule of conditional. I think you know. And then you are finding the sentence on which conditional? Obviously on first conditional. Yes, he must work if. And then students have sent a message. Mohidul Islam Siam of God, আচ্ছা আমি আমাদের ফার্স্ট ইয়ারের যে রুটিন পেয়েছি সে অনুযায়ী ক্লাস হচ্ছে না, এখন কিভাবে সঠিক রুটিন পেতে পারি বলবেন প্লিজ। ওকে, আই এম টেলিং ইউ, দেখো রুটিন অলওয়েজ is becoming updated, and for that reason if you want to get the updated routine you must conduct to the college page, and if you go to college page and there you will find the updated routine. ঠিক আছে, তুমি কলেজ পেজে যাও, ওখানে দেখবা আপডেটেড রুটিনটা দেওয়া আছে, and if you follow this routine and then it will be so crystal clear to you, and according to that is going on. ঠিক আছে, as he is unwilling, he is averse, he is reluctant to work, he cannot get rid of poverty, he must work if. As here subject is he, here is also he. If, and then what will be here? If he wants to get rid of poverty, or if he wants to increase his income, if he wants to overcome poverty. Yes, I usually avoid it is boring to drive now, or maybe I feel bored to drive now, maybe, or I don't like to drive now. Okay, in this way sentences may come. I usually avoid, it is boring to drive now, and you see that here the sentence is simple sentence, and for that reason you can't use here he wants to overcome poverty. Okay, poverty spelling will be, you should be serious to spelling, and otherwise you can't expect to get proper mark. And okay, and then all of you, I am earnestly requesting you that to be serious to the spelling, and in many cases, especially the students of intermediate level, you always make some mistakes in spelling, so should be serious to spelling. I usually avoid, it is boring to drive now. You see here this sentence is simple sentence, and as avoid, this is a finite verb, you can't use here another finite verb, you have to use there non-finite verb in order to complete the sentence. Oh, Tajul Islam, you have sent or you have informed me that board is not clear. Because for I am telling again and again, for net interruption board is not clear, but you should be so attentive to my speaking. You must pay heed to my speaking. Whatever I am telling, whatever I am writing on board, and I am telling that. Clear? I usually avoid. It is boring to drive now. It is boring to drive now. I usually avoid. So what I want to tell you that I usually avoid. You see here, this is simple sentence. As this is simple sentence, you can't use here finite verb, as avoid is finite verb. You have to use here another non-finite verb to complete this. Okay. Verb with ing, it is non-finite verb. I usually avoid. Okay, I am completing this. As this is driving related, so I am using the word driving. I usually avoid driving in Dhaka city at noon. What is the cause? It is boring to drive. Now at noon you may use, or if you want not to use, okay, then will be. Okay, and then go to next sentence. Sorry, time has allowed me to stop here. Okay, and then if you need more classes on completing sentence, please inform me in the comment boxes, and then I shall try my utmost to deliver lectures on completing sentence according to your need. Okay, no more today, and then in my next I shall discuss with you right form of verb as revision classes. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.